Hey guys, it's Matt from All Out Airsoft, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from Evike. So yeah, let's get right into it. Now it's just something small. It's not like a gun or anything, so. It was about $24. Trying to figure out how they did this thing. Oh, here we go. So, as you can tell, I got a WE SMG8 magazine. I broke my other one, so I just have needed a new one for a while. And ooh, wow! I think I might need my knife. Hold on, I'll be back with my knife. Okay, so I couldn't find my knife, so I just got scissors, but, you know, always good. Anything that cuts will do. There we go. I really wanted to package this thing. Ugh, jeez. Alright. So, here it is. There's where you put in the gas release. Full metal. It's about pretty heavy. Here's a spring. So yeah. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.